Hey, welcome back to the channel Info, and today let's discuss how to delete all your posts on X. First of all, you have to know that X doesn't have a built-in bulk delete button. So instead, you will have to use third-party tools for this. You can use, for example, a service that is called TweetDeleter, which I have on my screen. So the process here is pretty much simple. First of all, you have to sign in with your X account to this platform, and then it will let you choose some filters. So let's tap here, filter icon, and you can set filters by tweet type, by date, for example, by keywords, whatever, and then tap apply button and basically confirm the bulk delete action. But you have to keep in mind that most of these tools are not free, and you have to usually pay for unlimited or large-scale deletions. But I have another way for you if you, for example, don't want to pay any money for this, is manual way. So you have to just do it manually. Let me show you how to do it. I open X on my phone, and then I tap my profile picture in the top left, access my profile, and as you can see, your profile is divided into several tabs right here. You want to go to Posts tab and basically find specific post that you want to delete and tap three-dot button next to it, select delete post, and of course confirm your decision by tapping delete button. And then you have to repeat those steps for every post that you want to remove, one by one. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.